over here. Always see one.
Grandpa, what's today? Is it a special day for you? Is it a special day? Hi, Grandpa. Hi, Grandpa.
Butt scratches.
Hey, everybody. Casey's got his spa going today here. It's spa day at Furball Farm. Oliver, that was not very nice. Oliver. Hi, Connie. Hi, Jan. Hi, Stephanie, Darlene. I always feel like it's romper room. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Wanted to hop on. I know we missed our 11 o'clock live. We were elbows deep cleaning. Want to send a special shout out to Chris. It's her birthday today, so happy birthday, Chris. Casey's got nail trimming on his mind. So, like I said, happy birthday, Chris. Boris is sending you birthday wishes. Hi, Jan. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. So we got a new bed out. We found someone had sent this to us, so we grabbed it. Cats can hang out and play in that today. It looks like cotton candy, confetti. Hi, Oliver. What are you doing? So, I wanted to just let you guys all in on the month of June. Not only is it Chris's birthday, but there's a number of other national holidays and special events that are going on in the month of June. June is actually National Foster a Pet Month. And so all of the rescues and shelters and sanctuaries and out there, we're all overcrowded, overpopulated. There's so many unwanted cats, and so the shelters are just packed to the gills. And so if any of you around the world have a desire to foster a pet, this is the month to do it. It's also National Microchipping Month, and microchipping is a great way for you to make sure that you are never going to I shouldn't say that. If you lose a pet, you have a better chance of getting your pet back if they're microchipped. We do not do actual process of microchipping here, but anytime we get a cat in, we always check it to make sure that it isn't chipped, because if it is, we will definitely locate the owners. So it is National Microchipping Month. It is also National Pet Preparedness Month. So this month, it's timed for the first month of hurricane season, and it urges people with pets to make preparations just in case they should be hit by a natural disaster. And we talked about that, a few weeks ago. What would you do? What plan do you have in place if something were to happen? So, something to think about in the month of June. This is Mr. Darwin, and he is totally getting loves from Carol. Also, Social Pet Working Month, like networking. So, lots of things. And then we all know we had May 30th was International Hug Your Cat Day. June 4th was National Hug Your Cat Day. And now this week is actually Pet Appreciation Week for the whole first month of June. So it's time to appreciate your babies, your fur babies. Lots of treats, maybe a new bed, maybe some catnip. What do you think? Did you hear Darwin? He has been talking up a storm today too. Isn't he so cute? And did you all see his little white cottontail? Yeah. Hi, sweet boy. You are such a good boy. So, I have my spectacles on and I'm going to be watching comments now. You're welcome, Yolanda. Like I said on my Sunday Live, I check out the national holidays every day for my other job. And so I've checked it out for the cat world as well. Hi, Sia. Hi. All right, Chris, everybody's wishing you happy birthday. So we had a nice cleaning crew today. Got everything done. Visiting hours are upon us here. Today was also the Dr. Beverly Stevenson Spay-Neuter Program Day. So Julie was up early and meeting all of the arrivals for the Spay-Neuter program. Paula, it's amazing. All right, I can't. I try. Hi, Vicky. And who's on the wheel? Hello. Todd put the new vinyl pieces on our wheel on Sunday, so we don't have the yellow shavings everywhere, which is so nice. Is that Tasia?
Yeah, she's been really good about it.
Oh, Tasia, are you getting a pedicure now?
She's got extra toes.
Huh? You're getting a pedicure. Good girl. Hello. Hello, hello. Let's go in and say hi to Cornbread. Oh, there's Waylon for all the Waylon lovers out there. There's a whole cat pile in here. Casey, they're saying hi to you. He says hi back. Here's my little Darwin. He's following me around now. Hi, Sharon from Mars, Pennsylvania. Okay, let's come in here and see sweet little Cornbread. Looks like she's snuggling with her mama. Oh my goodness, I gotta kneel down here. Oh, such a sweet baby. Looks like she probably was nursing and fell asleep. Such a good girl. Oh, sweet mama. Mama's such a good mama. I'm not sure when Cornbread's actually leaving. I know she's been adopted. And then Mama's going to have her spay, and hopefully we can get her to come around so she can get a home. Grayson, what you doing? LJ, yep, she's over 2 pounds. So she is gaining and doing well. Let's go in and say hello to Moose. Oh, looks like somebody must have literally had the poo-poos or something, because my floor is all dirty. This room was all clean. What happened in here? Children. Hi, Keanu. still a little groggy because he had his surgery today. And there's a little kitten in the cage just waking up. And oh wait, that's not Keanu, that's Jason. He's so brown today. I thought he was more gray. Oh my gosh, that's Jason. That's Jason who came here on Sunday. Where is Keanu? Hi, Jason. Looks like they cleaned out his ears and yeah. Hi, Jason. Hi. Oh. Looks like you got your tail in the soup. That was the problem. Now I see what happened. He's got dirty tail. Jason, poor thing. I'll come back and clean you up here in a little bit, okay? And like I said, there's another one in here, just waking up from surgery. Still a little wobbly, that's why she's in the cage. He or she, I'm not sure. Moo's down here. Hi, Moo. Hi. Hi, Moo. Hi, Roy. Oh, goodness. Okay. Let's check out the ferals. Probably fell in it. Could be. He was a little gorked when well, actually, I shouldn't say a little. He was a lot gorked when he got back. So he probably walked out of the kennel and straight into the soup. All right, let's go in here. Let me get the light. There's Bernie Mac. Hi, Bernie Mac. I'm starting to get a complex. I feel like all the cats look at me and yawn. Am I really that boring? Huh? Okay, I'm trying to move super slow. We still don't have the gimbal. The gimbal's gimped. So, I'm trying to hold the phone really still. There is a black cat. I'm wondering if this is St. Peter. I'm not sure. I can pet you. Hi, baby. Moving some toe beans. Hi. Aww. And I see Gottfried and I see Ash. They are literally in the same places that I left them on Sunday. Oh, good. Okay. I'm trying. You guys, I'm trying to hold it steady. All right. Hi. Gottfried. Hi. You're so handsome. You're so handsome. And then, of course, Mr. Ash. Hi, Ash. You gonna give kisses? You gonna give kisses? He says, yep, I'm gonna give kisses. Hi, buddy. Oh, he's gonna get up and get down. Stretch them all. Get the front, now get the back. One. Oh, you only did one of the back. Do you guys ever say that to your cats? When they stretch, they get the two fronts and then they lean forward and get the two backs. Gotta stretch them all. Oh, I found Griffin. Hi, Griff. Hi. Chris says she saw Kennedy yesterday. I haven't seen Kennedy in weeks. She comes in the evening. She's out gallivanting all day. She's a very busy girl, has lots of errands to run. Probably has to go get her hair done and all the things. All right, back out. Marley was hanging out in here earlier. And I know he's up by the house now. Okay, back in. I think this is my Rye. Hi, Rye. Look at Rye. She's beautiful. You don't have TikTok or Instagram. That's okay. We keep you updated on Facebook, so no worries. You voted for Furball Farm, on my giving circle? Okay, baby girl. I'm gonna see if anyone is in the tunnel. Well, of course they are. Well, thank you. Let's see. Susan, that was very nice of you to say. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Who else can we find? Let's go find Will again. Oh, looks like I gotta vacuum one of the cactuses. The cacti. Hi, Will. Hi, Will. Are you saying hi to all your fans? So I think Hannah probably got video. I know she got pictures of it today, but Janice last night picked up all of Desmond's rags before she left. And now this morning, when she got here, there must have been 20, 25 rags. So he was a very busy boy last night. He was on a rag stealing mission. Desmond has a life of crime. Okay, I haven't seen Alan in a while. I wonder where he's been hanging out lately. Let's see who's in this cat tree, and then we'll head out to the catio. So, once again, being that it is National Pet Preparedness Season or month, it's a good time, especially if you live in Florida or anywhere where the hurricanes affect you. It's a good time to get the plan in place, be it microchipping, having a kennel at the ready, especially in times of storms. I know I've done that a couple of summers ago in the beginning. Here's Eddie. In the beginning of the summer, it was early June. There was a really severe storm front that came through, and I was actually really thinking that I was going to have to hunker down somewhere, and had my kennel ready and was about to, I was watching the news, and my mother's home is 10 blocks from where I live, and so I don't have a basement, so I was ready to load up my car with my 2 cats and head over to my mom's to hunker down in her basement. So you always have to have a plan, because storms come up, they sneak up on you. And you'd never, ever, ever want your pet to, get lost in a storm or worse. Blackbeard. Blackbeard. Hi, honey. It's pretty humid out here today, but it's not too hot, so the cats are enjoying themselves. And always look up. There's lots of toe beans down on the other end. Looks like Brandon is hanging out. He's sound asleep. I'm going to duck under the tape here. Hold on. Okay. So we got Brandon and Bun Bun Sleeping like a little angel. Yeah. Mr. Borders is checking out a fly. Flies are pretty intriguing here. Flies are amazing, or so the cats think. Hi, Carmen. There's Sylvia. She's the black and white that likes to hiss at people. I know Nile is up here. Not sure if you can see her or not. Oh yeah, there we are. Nile's got a bed partner. And all I see over here are legs. So I'm gonna put my phone way up. I'm not sure who's up there. You'll have to tell me. Okay, I can't see. I can't see. Okay, and now we got the top shelf here. Again, lots of cuties. I always like the cats that like to be around the hole. Hi, honey. Look at you. Hi. It's a tabby on the top shelf? Okay. I am not sure who that is going to be. Hi, honey. Are you posing? Are you posing? Oh, goodness. Okay. My arm's getting sore. There's some toys here that we need to put down. Me and Carol took care of the catio today. Are you... Hi. What are you doing? Hi, Nova. There's Philip. Hi, Philip. Oh, Blackbeard's enjoying himself now. He's all stretched out. He's all stretched out. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Let's go down and see my David. I'm not sure who this big white cat is here. Hi. I can't see who this is. Our face is hidden and I don't want to wake him up. Okay. Sorry if I'm going fast. Trying to walk slow. So I work with someone who does quilting, and she uses the quilt scraps. She finishes quilts and she uses scraps and makes us pillow beds for the cats out here. So I spread some of those around today. So we got some new fresh beds out here. Hi, David. Look at these eyes. Look at those eyes. Hey, Hannah, what you doing? Hannah's out here for some fresh air. Hi, baby. I think David is so striking. And I'm by a water fountain, so I'm hoping that that trickle doesn't make you all have to go to the bathroom. Oh. Hannah, what are you doing, girl?
I'm admiring Blackbeard's pose.
I know, right?
They're all like, you know, a song like Margaritaville.
Uh-huh.
They're wasted away.
They're wasted away
Yeah. Look at them.
in Furball Farmville.
Yeah. Theodora.
This is such a good position for you to see Adriana's mittens. Oh, hi, honey. Oh, goodness. Is Alaska in that corner? Can you see? Oh, wait. Oh, no, that's Leona.
He's underneath like a blanket, I think.
A blanket?
Or I can't tell. Way down.
Okay, let's go back down here and see. I forgot about Alaska. I know you guys all add.
I think that's him. I can't see fully.
Here is the pillows I'm talking about. So she takes pillowcases and sheets and stitches them up and puts the quilt scraps in them. And then we have little pillow beds, and we can just toss them when they get soiled, because she's making quilts all the time. Oh, there he is. Oh, he is a cutie. I know, buddy. It's okay. You don't have to hiss at me. I'm not going to hurt you. Chris isn't here today. She is off for her birthday. Maybe Chris is getting wasted away. This cat is so funny because he hisses, but then he leaves his mouth open. I'm going to see if I can zoom in on him. Hi, Alaska. It's almost like he's smiling. Maybe he is. Look at him. I think he's smiling. I think he's posing for the camera. Isn't that cute? Okay, I'm gonna go scroll back out. Oh my goodness. Standing up is hard on the knees, let me tell you. Okay. Hi, babies. Hi, Mr. Borders. Sorry. Hi, Mr. Borders. Hi. So Julie got a call about a sick or injured cat. She is on that duty right now. So hoping that the cat's okay. Hi, honey. So our thermostat says it's about, oh, it looks like 82, 84 degrees. I think today's high was supposed to be 84. Do you hear that? That sound that sounds like birdie, 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 birdie. That is another cardinal. It's probably that same one from Sunday that was hanging out. Isn't it funny? It sounds like he's saying birdie, 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 birdie. That's how you always know a cardinal. Okay. He's intent. He wants me to find him. Okay, let's quickly find a few more of your faves, and then I am going to sign off for a bit because we've got visitors. And hi. I haven't seen Mario today. Since I'm not on the gimbal, I can maybe look under the bed here without making everybody sick. He is not in the box. So let me look. I can't see him, but I'm going to show you what's under here. There are a lot of cats under here. And these cats go all the way back. This is 3 sets of toddler beds. And so there's a lot of cats under here. But I do not see Mr. Mario. But Will's here. Oh, goodness. Okay, I'm back up. Here's our Billy boy. And let me look for Mario. I don't think he goes under these other beds, but I will look. Come on down with me. Oh, there's hardly any cats under here. Okay. Oh, goodness, it takes a village. There's Isabel. Hi. Hi, Isabel. Hi, baby. All right. Well, I think I'm going to log off here. And here's Tippy. And meet some of our visitors. And I want to just encourage all of you, if you're in our area, to come visit. We're open every single day from 1 to 5. And we certainly would love to have you. Our cats would love to have you be their guest. They'd love to show you around. Kanya into feeding them some treats. Hi. Hi, sweet boy. Are you going to go home with your mama, Lori? Huh? Are you going to go home with Lori? All right, you guys. Have a super rest of your day. We will be live again at 4. I think Julie's going live at 4. And until then, go hug your kitties.